Did you know that a long time ago, homes did not have plumbing P-traps below each fixture? They actually had one building trap that served the entire house. And those traps caused a huge problem. I'm Jake with Mechanical Flood Protection, and today we're discussing building traps and why they're causing problems in homes that are pre-1930. If you have an older home, you may have one of these and you probably don't even know you do. So the building trap was designed to keep rodents, sewer gas, and other bugs from coming into your home. It works by holding water in a curved pipe like the P-traps you see underneath your sinks. Sounds pretty smart, right? Well, not exactly. The big problem is that yes, it did stop the sewer gas from coming into your home, but you could still smell your own plumbing within your house. Even worse, these building traps would sometimes dry out and be ineffective anyways. So by around 1930, most municipalities banned these building traps and instead went with today's method with having P-traps at the actual fixtures themselves. This worked much better to reduce illness and sewer gas, but, and this is a big but, most older homes still have these building traps in place. And that's where the trouble starts. So why are building traps a problem today? Well, for two reasons. Number one, they clog easy. A building trap is, well, a trap. So the water actually has to go down and back up like a roller coaster before it exits your home, making it susceptible to clogging. And when your sewer clogs, it has a high chance of backing up into your basement, causing an expensive and disgusting mess. And number two, your rain gutters are likely tied into the sewer in these older homes, which causes a huge issue. Many homes in this era had the downspouts tied into the sewer, so that means that sticks, leaves, even animals can get down into your sewer pipes. And guess what it hits? The building trap. Now imagine this. It's raining outside, the sewer is filling up, the building trap is clogged, and now your basement's starting to fill up with sewage. And nobody can help you until the rain is gone and somebody has to come by and pump that water out of your basement. I don't know about you, but that would not be a good day for me. So how do you know if you have a building trap? Well, there are a couple of signs. The first one is a 4-inch cast iron vent that's on the outside of the house, typically at the front or the side of the building. This cast iron pipe is the vent for the building trap and typically turns 180 degrees at the top. Another indicator of a building trap is a 3-inch or a 4-inch cast iron cleanout like this one shown here. So if you find out you have a building trap, what should you do? If you have an older home, this is what I recommend. Number one, disconnect those downspouts and have them run to a low-lying area on the property or to a dry well. Number two, replace that building trap with either a Y fitting and a clean out, or better yet, a sewer backflow preventer, making sure that you never have a sewer backup in the future. That's it. Those two changes can dramatically reduce the chance of you having a sewage flood in your house. Older homes are beautiful, but they can come with these hidden plumbing risks that you don't know about. If you fix this one issue, you'll avoid a huge mess and costly repairs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video about sewer building traps and why they could be an issue for sewer backups in your home.